Hey guys, Lytham from Blackpool Honda here, and here I'm just going to give you a quick video walk around of our pre-registered Jazz EX Crosstar. Of course, with this being the Crosstar, it does come with the plastic trims along the side skirts, wheel arches and front bumpers, and of course the roof rails. It is just a Jazz EX amplified up a bit. It is a 1.5 self-charging hybrid and does come with these 16-inch diamond cut alloys. Of course, with this being a pre-registered vehicle, it will be everything be brand new, and there will be no damage on the car whatsoever. But of course, I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what this car is like overall. We've got the reverse camera just up there, as you can see, and of course reverse parking sensors at the bottom, plenty of room in the boot, and of course 60/40 split folding rear seats. Of course, moving around, showing the rear alloy just here. Of course, in the rear of the vehicle, we do have the cloth grey seats with white accents and black down the side. Of course, we've got Aspheric mounting points. On the door card, we do have the gloss black handle and the trim around the window switch. It is electric and automatic. Of course, these three lines just here, they do symbolise that this car is keyless entry, and of course with the button here, keyless start. Of course, just quickly showing you the door card here, we have all four controls for the windows, window lock, central locking, and of course electric adjustment with power fold for the wing mirrors. We've also got your electric handbrake with brake hold, econ, and of course your automatic gearbox just there. The B means it will kick into regenerative braking mode to ensure more charge is going into the battery when you are coming to a halt. We've got two USB ports and a 12-volt power outlet. We've got climate control with two front heated seats, and of course your touchscreen display. We've got your personal assistant, which will help you navigate to someone's house. Maybe you have an address and you say it, then it will go to that address. Talking of that, we do have your satellite navigation here as well. We've also got your Bluetooth hands-free, DAB, Bluetooth audio, FM, and many more. Of course, your radio is controlled via these, but this can control your station select and track select. Your volume's controlled here, personal assistant there, and of course your onboard computer via this home, little bezel, and of course the back button just there. With your speed limiter and cruise control is controlled here. You can turn it on and off just here, and of course you can select between cruise control and speed limiter there. The bottom one is to set it, the top one is to reset, and of course plus and minus means up and down. You got your cancel to turn it off completely, and of course your distance control, and of course your lane keep assist system. We've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and of course with this being a pre-reg vehicle, it does only have 6 miles on the clock. Moving back outside the vehicle now, showing the last remaining alloy just here. Of course, with this being brand new, it will take the E10 fuel that the government is rolling out up and down the country. But if you require any further information, don't hesitate to get in touch with the dealership. One of our sales team will provide you with a personalised video. Thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.